Welcome to my kitchen. I'm excited to share with you a delicious and easy recipe for corn ki sabji. Let's get started. First, heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan on medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 bite for tbsp asafoetida. Let them crackle for a few seconds. Next, add 3 finely chopped onions, ginger chili garlic paste and sauté them until they turn golden brown. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes. Once that's done, add the 3 finely chopped tomatoes. Salt to taste and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until the tomatoes become soft. Then add the following spices and cook until oil is released. Then add paste of 6 soaked cashews nuts. Cook on low to medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Now, it's time to add the 400 grams sweet corn. Add 1 tbsp ghee and half tsp garam masala for better taste. Then add half cup hot water and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves for a burst of freshness. And there you have it. Your delicious corn ki sabji is ready. Serve it hot with roti, paratha, or rice for a satisfying meal. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious recipes. See you next time.